I'm gonna pass this to a single girl.
Ayoko na. Ayoko. Lagi ako sinasabi na ganun.
Dali na.
Gonna pass this to, ano.
Next na.
Yeah.
I'm gonna pass this to a Muslim. I'm gonna pass this to someone who broke a lot of rules. Try next eh. Try next.
Pass this to a person who always wear a glasses. Ayun na lang. Normal lang.
I'm gonna pass this to a girl
Huwag nang compliment.
wearing white. White. Ano ba yan? Sweater ba yan?
I'm gonna pass this to the person who will buy me books. I'm gonna pass this to someone who will buy me gold. Okay.
I'm gonna pass this to a person who thinks my braid is ugly.
Hi, I love myself.
I'm gonna pass it.
Ano ba rin na?
I'm gonna pass this.
I'm gonna pass this to,
A person.
to a person who's ugly.
Who's
Ugly.
I'm gonna pass this to the person who will buy me a lot of books. I will pass this to the person who will buy me clothes.
Ano kasi talaga eh. Sana kasi
I will pass this. 2. Yin, agad. Oh,
Ay, ba't ako eh si daddy?
gusto ko sa'yo eh.
Ay, ba't ako nga? I'm gonna pass this to a person who looks like... Bye, thank you for the ice cream, the delicious strawberry. Ice cream yummy. Ice cream good. Ice cream yummy. Ice cream good. Okay na yan. Ano ba? Bye, thank you for the ice cream with the delicious strawberry. Ice cream yummy. Ice cream good. Ice cream yummy. Ice cream good. Ice cream yummy.
Hindi dapat dito sa gitna.
I'm gonna pass this to a person who's everyone. Hindi, joke lang. I'm gonna pass this to a person. To all her things, everything is private.